Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Khaleda, Akter, Assistant Teacher of Social Science, National Ideal English Version School, Tesha. So dear students, today I am going to take a social science class for the students of class 2, and at first look at the board to see the topic. And today is class 2, class 4, class 2, and subject is social science, and topic is matching and MCQ. This is from your chapter 14 from your book. And the term is annual, and the lecture number is 3, SW number 3. So this is your third lecture, and at the same time this is your third SW. And I have given my phone number and mobile number. If you have any need, you can make the use of that number. So dear students, let's come to the point. Today we will start the discussion with matching, and the chapter is 14, our school and our duties. So this is the name of the lesson, which is lesson 14, that means chapter 14, our school and our duties. And number 1, matching. We will match with column A with column B. The first one is, there is a library in our school. So there is a library in our school. And number B, number 2, we behave well to our classmates. And number 3, we have morning assembly every day. So we have morning assembly every day. And number 4, we should obey our teachers. So this is the last one, we should obey our teachers. So dear students, let's read this again. The number 1 is, there is a library in our school. And number 2, we behave well to our classmates. Number 3, we have morning assembly every day. Number 4, we should obey our teachers. So dear students, this was the matching, and now we will go to topic 2, and the topic is MCQ, that means multiple choice questions. This is also from your lesson 14, our school and our duties. And the first one is, we go to school to play, learn, sleep. What we do in our school actually? We actually at first we learn and sometimes we play, but most important topic is learning. So the answer will be, we go to school to learn. And number B, our school has dash classrooms. How many classrooms we have? Actually there is no numbers, so that's why we will say there are options no, some, many. So actually in our school there are many classrooms, so that's why we will make the answer, which is many. And number C, how many library our school has? How many library our school has? We have only one library, which is written in your book, so that's why we will write down 1. How many library our school has? It will be 1. And number D, we should keep our classroom clean, dirty or noisy. Which will be the answer? Our school should be clean, so that's why we will try to keep our classrooms clean. So this will be the answer. And number E, our school is a big society, family or country. So this is the answer, family, because there are teachers, your classmates and your guard persons. So all of the people are actually like family, where we take care each other. So we will read the MCQs again. So number 1 is, we should go to school to learn. And number B, our school has many classrooms. Number C, how many library our school has? 1. We should keep our classrooms clean. Our school is a big family. So this is the answer of the MCQ. And dear students, it will be both will be your SW, that means matching and MCQ. So that's why I have written here your SW number is 3, and this is matching and MCQ. And try to submit your MCQ by Saturday. So my dear students, hope you have understood today's topic. This is all for today. Next class we will come with a new topic. Till then, take care, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz.